All right, guys, I'm pretty much ready. I've done quite a bit of testing on this battery pack, charging, discharging, um, all that good stuff. This is the very first one I made. This is the one I've been testing out. I already have somebody that wants this one, but I should have everything posted up this weekend. So look for that on Saturday, most likely. Yeah, probably Saturday first thing. I'll have it posted and available for sale on my website, and it will also be in the add-ons for all of the kits in case you need a battery. But basically, this is what you'll end up getting. This will be an option, the cord will be an option, but as far as the battery pack, you'll just get the battery pack. This, which is the power connector, or if you buy it with a kit added on, it will already be soldered together and everything. So all you'll have to do is plug this in to that right there and it'll be ready to go. This is the waterproof USB type C connector. So basically, if you want to plug this in somewhere on your bike, all you have to do is hide it in a good spot. So like on my bike, I would probably hide it right here, drill a hole right there, put that connector on it because it won't interfere with anything. And then, because you can see that's where I have my taillight one ran to, I just drilled two small holes and zip tied that so that it stays on there. I'm taking the taillight on and off a lot, so that's the easiest way for me to do it. But anyway, so I drill a hole somewhere like that, or even up in here if you had to, but make sure you're not gonna hit your tire or that your tire's not gonna hit it. Some bikes have a little extra space right in between here. I know someone brought me a 252 stroke and it had a lot of space right there, so you'd be able to drill a hole there. But the idea is to not have um, this exposed to the elements too much. But also the best thing about this is you can leave this all wired in, plugged into your bike, and then all you got to do is unscrew this cap, plug it into USB-C power, like a phone charger basically. It will charge this fully when you're not riding it, hop on it the day after and ride some more. This is a little battery level meter that I'm testing. This will basically just be an add-on that you can put into the kit. It won't cost much. I mean, these don't cost me very much, so they'll be fairly inexpensive to add on. I'm thinking probably $5 or something like that. But basically, you'll glue this. I actually will most likely have like a 3M tape on the back of these, and you should be able to stick it somewhere. So my bike is kind of tore apart at the moment, doing some development on stuff, but you could just stick it anywhere on the plastics pretty much. Probably on the top of the number plate is what I would do, or near the number plate. I guess I could show you on the wife's bike. So you could maybe mount it off of that right there, up near the top would be a really good spot. And that way you just press it and it will tell you if the kit has to be powered on for it to work, but it will tell you what percentage the battery is at. So that's how that's gonna work. And then these are 3 meter long cables, so you should be able to, reach an outlet and plug in the bike. But that's the basic idea. I will also include some mounting hardware for the battery. It'll be this style, except longer. So these clearly are not very long because this is for my plate mounts, but it's the exact same thread pitch and size as the plate mounts. So that'll just thread in, and also you can just drill the two holes wherever you need to mount this battery, or you might even be able to mount it off of something that's already there. But either way, it has the inserts there just in case, but you should be able to just drill a couple holes, mount this guy wherever, so it'll be nice and sturdy. But I mean, this is a solid 3D printed battery case, so this might change a little bit. It might get thinner, and things here and there might change as I get feedback from you guys. But if you're interested in one of these batteries, make sure to keep up to date on the website. And like I said, Saturday I should have these posted up. You'll have to bear with me the first few because I need to order a whole bunch of batteries for these. So these might be kind of a pre-order type deal, or they might just take a little bit longer than the normal kits, just because I'm gonna have to order a ton of lithium batteries and wait for them to come in. But after that, I should be pretty much set up and ready to go. So